The letter B. B stands for Bobcat. The Bobcat put a new battery in his e-bike. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write the lowercase letter b. Start with your pencil on the baseline, curve up to the top line, then turn left and go down to the baseline. Now, curve back up to the dotted line. End on the dotted line with a grin. Write the letter B in the air. Let's practice. Now, we'll write the uppercase B. It's a little bit like printing a capital B, except we're writing on a slant and adding a decoration at the end. Start with your pencil on the top line. Make a line ending at the bottom line. Now, retrace that line back up to just a little below where you started. Draw a curve to the right, going up to touch the top line, then down and out. Curve to the left on the dotted line. Then, come out again and curve down to the baseline, touching your original line a little above the bottom. Now, for the decoration, swing your line out to the right like this. Now, write the letter B in the air. Let's practice. Lowercase b connects with other letters from its grin on the dotted line. Let's write the word baba. Baba is a fancy sponge cake. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!